Hello everyone, welcome to the web development course from the Desi Q&A, and as discussed in the previous video we will be adding the React icons to our this project, particularly for our navbar. Okay, so we have built this navbar and again I have added this logo.png over here as I had said in the previous lecture, and this lecture is going to be a very quick lecture. Here we will be doing the things very quickly as we have already learned these things related to our React JavaScript. Okay, so here I will search React icons. We have already used the React icon, so I will open this one, and here there are so many React icons that you can see. Okay, so you can get any of this React icons. I will be selecting them, but until then let's run this one. Okay, cd food app, and I will install the React icons. Okay, so this is the way we should use the React icons. We have already used them, so here let's see what sort of icons we basically need to add over there. Okay, so here in my project, here I want a search button. Okay, so I basically want a search button. Here I will see where is the search. It is not there. What rather I can have a call button, right? So for the call button, let's see, we have all of this several type of call buttons, right? So you can get any of these buttons. You can get any of these buttons. So I guess this button is good. This is good, or you can select anyone. I will just get this button, and here they have specified this is the code for that one. Okay, control C. In one of the video I had made use of these kind of uh, React icons, but there I had not shown you by opening these things. So this is the way I had obtained that one. In those videos, if you are confused, you can just come here and search. Okay, so apart from all these discussions, I want this one, so I will be adding that here. I will import this one, and where I want to add this call icon is here in my button, where I have that button. We somewhere had a nav end, right? So here we have this button, so here I will replace it with this one. Okay, so let's go here, and if I reload this one, now you can see instead of the button, here I have got this one, right? So I have got this one. This looks kind of good for now, but here for this one, let's give the bluish color that is kind of hiding with the background color we have right now. So for that one, for this button, I will give the background blue. Okay, so that is we have defined inside of our Tailwind CSS. Okay, now it has been applied. If I hover, it is changing the color. Okay, so yeah, this is done, and let me give some styling to this. I want to make this rounded full. I will make this rounded full and pixel 6. Okay, so this should be enough, and text I will, whatever the text we have inside of this one should be white. Okay, so yeah, now you can see it is white here. Okay, so after this one I want to flex this to be an items center, flex items center. Okay, so let's go and see if that is looking good. This seems to be okay. Let's give some gap over here. So for giving the gap, I will just give it to be as 2. Okay, so this should be enough. we have designed this one, and now I want to get some more thing. So for that one let's go here to our this Daisy UI. So inside of this one, how to use, and here the somewhere we had the components, right? Use inside of the use, we had got this button. Where has our navbar gone? Let me just search it. Okay, we have it here. We have our navbar here. Okay, so we have got somewhat of this thing. Okay, so let me scroll this one. I want a navbar with the icon. I want a indicator, and along with that I also want a drop down. Okay, let's see where we have that one icon indicator drop down. Okay, so I want this one. So from here I will be copying only whatever the things I need. Okay, so inside of this one, so here I have this index and all, button, circle, course circle. Okay, so I want this thing. I basically want this thing, and where it is actually ending, I think it is ending here. Okay, so I want these things. I will copy this one, and where I want to add this is, let's go here to our navbar.js. Navbar.js, let me drop this down. Inside of my navbar.js, we have our this. Let me search navbar end. Okay, so I have my navbar end. Let's add it here. So after our this nav, and basically for this one itself, let's add it. Okay, so I will define this one to be as something like cart items. Okay, I will call this one to be as cart items. So here I will be adding a comment, and I will name this one to be as cart items, and alt Z. Okay, everything is arranged properly. And after that one, let's go here. Let's reload. Now you can see that has been added. That cart stuff has been added. That is something we got from here. That is this one. This is the thing that we actually needed. And okay, so we have extracted only the code we want, because we already have this stuff, right? So here it is showing 8 there because we have written 8 here. We will be modifying this one. We will be removing this 8 value, and here we will be adding our JavaScript. Okay, we will be adding the customized stuff we actually need over there. Okay, so after this one, here for my cart items, so I want to give some margin. Okay, so margin row. Let's give the a margin row. I will give this just 3. Okay, so I will give margin row 3, and after this one, flex item center, flex items center. Same stylings that whatever I have done so far. Justify center. Okay, I basically use this very usually. And justify center. I have done this one. Let's go here. Let me reload. Okay, so if I reload this, you can see some sort of good thing. It is looking kind of good, right? Okay, so that is the thing that we actually needed, and after that one, here, uh, center logo. Let's get some more logo. Okay, so for that one, I will search here center logo. So okay, drop down center logo icon. Okay, so yeah, this one I want this logo over here. So for that, what we can do is here, in our JSX code, let's see where they have written that one. This is something like the bootstrap, right? So bootstrap we use for the CSS here. CSS, same kind of CSS, but for the JSX, this is specifically designed for the JSX. Okay, so from where we can get that one is, let's see where they have mentioned that one. Here they have added that. Okay, so let's get this button. I will copy this and let's go here. Let's go to our cart, and after ending this one, I will be adding that here. Okay, so I will call this one as, we have called this one as cart items, right? We have called this one as cart items, and now one more thing I want to add. One more thing I want to add, and again I will add it after this one. Okay, I will add it here, and I will call this one as search button. Okay, because this is the search button. Just to, here we don't have the absolute words, right? We don't have the absolute words uh, to denote what we have done. So for that reason, I'm just writing the comment so that it can be easy for debugging. So search button or search logo. Search logo. Let's go here. Okay, so yeah, the search logo has been added over here. This seems to be okay. Now what I can do is, let's go here and let's do the stylings that we usually do. And here for this search button, I want this to be hidden. I want this to be hidden. I want this to be hidden because now it is hidden, right? So basically it is hidden. Let me remove that one and show you why I'm doing it in this way. Let's go here. Let me inspect this. If I inspect, you can see, if I reduce the size, they all of these things are getting messed, right? So we can have this much size, but if I go beyond this, these things are getting messed, right? So what I actually want to do is, whenever the size is reduced, I want to hide that one. Okay, so basically I want to keep this thing to be hidden. Okay, I want this to be hidden. For the large size, I want to flex this one. I want to do this flex. And after this, um, okay, so let's go here and see now. Okay, so if I reduce the size, you can see if I reduce the size, our search button is hide it, right? So that is somewhat I wanted to do. And here we have this responsive stuff over here. Okay, so let's get back here. So let's get back here, and here for the cart items. For the cart items also I want to specify the same thing. For the medium size, for the medium size, what I want to do is, um, I will not specify for the medium size, rather for the large size I want to flex this one, and otherwise I will keep this one hidden. Okay, so okay, this should be working. We don't have to test it again and again. Okay, so let's just go and see it once. Yeah, that thing is hiding if we reduce the screen size. Let me come back here, and here we have this layout, and here we have created our main.js. Right, in the main.js we have all these things. And now what I want is, let's not focus on this. Here I want to create a banner. Okay, so I want to create a banner. For that one I will call this file as banner.js, RAFCE. Okay, so inside of this one, just banner. Okay, so I will go to home.js, and here instead of showing the home, I will show this banner. I will show this banner here. Okay, so let's go, let's reload this. Yeah, this components are working fine. The components are working fine. We have this banner here. Now our focus is on building this particular banner. Okay, let's come back here. So let me remove this hard coded data from here. I will add the braces here. So div tag. Okay, let's add the stylings, whatever the stylings that I need for this one. So I will be giving the class name, and for the maximum width screen of XL, of 2XL extra large, and for this one container, I will make this as container. We know a Bootstrap provides some stylings for the container, right? In the same way, the Tailwind CSS provides some stylings for the container here. Same sort of stylings here. For the Excel PX 24, I will not be focusing on explaining the stylings, because these are very obvious things. You can just go through the documentation. And after this should be enough. Okay, so here banner, let's go. Okay, now the banner has come this side, the styling has applied. Now let's go here to our app.css. Let me uh, go here to our app.css, and here we have specified all these things. Now for the section container, rather what I can do is, for the section container I will apply some of the stylings. Okay, for the maximum width screen, let's copy this entire thing and let's add here. For the section container I want to apply these stylings. Okay, so this is what I meant by writing this over here. And now here what you can do is you can just remove that one here. You can remove that one, can remove that one, and can add this section container over here. Okay, so after this one, here in our home js, yes, we are showing our this banner, but I should be wrapping this inside of the tag, right? I should be wrapping this inside of a div tag or with the react fragments. Here I will be using the div tag, control x. Okay, so this is done. Now even if we do that one, the same styling is there, but let's import our app.css everywhere. And here inside of this one, I want app.css. Okay, so not exactly here. Here in my main.js, I want to import that app.css. Okay, so we have imported even this one. Okay, so now this thing is kind of good. And after this one, here in our tailwind css, we have a option. Let me show you that one. Here in our colors, let's go there where we have the colors related stuff. Okay, so inside of the colors, let's search that one gradient color. So I want to give the a gradient color, that's why I'm searching it in this way. We don't have any such thing called as gradient colors. Let's go to the backgrounds. They might have written it inside the background colors. So here it is in this address. So from here, what I will be doing is I will copy this entire styling. I will copy this entire styling, and let's go here in our banner. I will paste this one. Okay. So yeah, we have got the dot over there. So for that, what I can just do is, let's copy this entire thing. We are getting the same thing. So here they have just specified the color. Okay, so we can just remove this one. We can remove the dots because it is of no use. Let's go here in our page. Let's reload our page. In our page, we are not seeing any sort of changes. So let's see what we have done here. Actually, it is bg. Let's go and reload now. Yeah, now you can see for the banner we have got this gradient, right? So we have got this gradient for the banner. That is good. It has specified uh, from this color to shift to this color. Okay, so this is the basic understanding. I also want to add something here. Okay, so that is gradient to r. Okay, so here I will add from hash fa and fa. Okay, so this means something like some whitish color. Okay, So from this to from 0%, basically this is from 0% and to 100%. Not exactly here. Let's remove this one from 0%, and I should be adding this after this one here. Okay, so from 0% to some of this color, let's say I want to add it to, um, let's say to some color, and I will just make this to be as some 100%. Some 100%, and here I should be writing it this way. Okay, so we are so done with this one, and after this I want to specify my banner, not directly here, but here I will add a div tag, and here I will add the banner. Okay, I will add the banner here. I will specify the class name, py24. Let's say this is the class name that I want to specify. Oh, I hope the styling should be enough. Okay, so yeah, now you can see some sort of good styling has been applied over there, or you can, if you want, you can add that FAFA stuff over here. Okay, so let me just show you by adding that one. Okay, so let's not mess up with the colors. You can try that one, but for now this banner is kind of good. Here on this one we will be building some of the logics in the next video.